Hello, it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre, and today we have some fantastic approved used stock. This is a stylish Volkswagen Transporter Kombi, 199 PS, in the stylish Ravenna blue metallic finish. There are flexible finance packages available, so to get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle. This video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment. Now, as you can see, the stunning chrome Volkswagen badge is sitting proudly at the centre there amongst the front grills, and the headlights pair really well with the stunning alloys, which complements the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the van. And the power folding wing mirrors do fold in when locked to provide extra safety to the vehicle, ensuring to minimise risk of damaging them in any way. It's great for places like shopping centres where parking can be extremely tight. And as you can see, we do have the electric sliding doors, which will benefit you when you've got your hands full. And now as we enter the vehicle, you'll notice we have that stunning upholstery that has been well maintained during its life cycle. We also do have the ISO fixed points at the back there, making this van perfect for families. And we can also easily pull the seats back to maximise your boot space, so you can fit all your necessities there. Now the Ravenna blue metallic finish really does complement well with the alloy wheels. And now as we enter the back of the van, you'll notice a beautiful Volkswagen badge in there and our Transporter logo, offering a very unique style look to the van. And at the bottom there we do have our rear view camera and our parking sensors to offer you that full support whenever you need them. And as we access the boot directly, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious interior. And we also do have the lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting on the ceiling for that added visibility. And these doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. This stunning van is available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre, so please don't hesitate to come down and have a look yourself at our dealership. And now as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat here, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your front passengers that relaxing driving experience. Around you, you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. So thank you for watching the first part of the video tour of the approved used Transporter Kombi Highline that is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre. If you'd like to stick around, we will be having a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, offering that comfortable driving experience. And we also do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring they're always on at their correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side there. And near the steering wheel there is a cup holder and storage space, which you will benefit from. Now once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst we're on the move. And we also do have our assist systems with functions like the adaptive cruise control to stay safe at a consistent speed while travelling on the motorway, ensuring you that confidence and comfort throughout your journey. Over to the infotainment screen, we have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Now heading into our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our MirrorLink, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Now we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while you're on the move, as you have a wide range of stations to choose from to keep you busy while driving on those long distances. Now heading to our navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your suited destination on the best possible route. It will boost your confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when travelling, as you can go to new locations you would never normally go to. Now you also have the ability to make hands-free calls via Bluetooth, offering you safety and full attention to your surroundings, as it's never a good idea to take calls while on the move, and this way you'll have a more safer approach to when taking those calls. The stunning van does come with your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors, along with the rear view cam, ensures safety, especially when manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight. Over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have many different options available here for you and your front passengers to enjoy. We also do have our front heated seats with 3 different levels of heating to choose from. On the right there we have our heated windscreen, and towards the left we have our parking sensors, our park assist, our automatic start-stop function and central locking systems. And just below that we have even more storage space and our USB-C type ports. And to finally finish this video off, we have our 7-speed DSG right in the center there. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been the stunning approved used transporter Kombi Highline that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre. If you'd like to come down, have a look at the van yourself or get yourself a tailored finance quote, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle.